네네.
그래서 삭제하셔도 되세요.
아, 네. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
I must have sent 400 poems on the way you used to smile at me. I used to write them for you daily, but my thumbs are running dry lately. No one wants to hear a song about the bitch that broke my heart. I should have listened to my mama, she saw through you from the start. But now we're here in Regent's Park amongst the flowers, and I wish it would rain. 'Cause in the sun you look so lovely that I'm pulling for you over again. Since I have nothing left to say that will make you change your mind, I'll say goodbye on a beautiful spring day. It was a place not too dissimilar to this one, where I first saw your face. You look like home, sat all alone. I should have found somebody cheaper to chase. Tragically, nobody told me how expensive you would be. I lost more than money, dear. You knocked the swagger out of me. But now we're here in Regent's Park amongst the flowers, and I wish it would rain. 'Cause in the sun you look so lovely that I'm pulling for you over again. Since I have nothing left to say that will make you change your mind, make you change your mind, I'll say goodbye on a beautiful spring day. Have you seen the 7 oceans, or the snow cap of a mountain top, or the northern lights set in motion? Oh, heartbeat slow to a stop. Have you read a book by candlelight, or heard a lead is cool to arms? Have you ever felt my love burn so
버크트 컬러입니다.
like a fireball in your palms?
바운더리즈와 버크트 컬러를 섞어서
And all the things that I've seen, you will always be part of my tapestry. More and all the places I've been, you will always be part of my tapestry. Have you felt a revolution? Do you ever sit to stop and pause, just to take a little moment, to see what's mine and yours?
엔드게임과 버크트 컬러를 섞어줍니다.
I've seen, you will always be part of my tapestry. More and all the places I've been, you will always always be part of the tapestry. These are just lines of latitude that we made up, drawn upon a map. We could be meeting with modern minds. We could be woven and intertwined. And all the things that I've seen, you will always be part of my tapestry. And all the places I've been, you will always be part of my tapestry. Will it be a pavement or a sidewalk? When I finally lay my eyes on you.
네, 저는 오늘 메이크업 굉장히 마음에 드는데 여러분도 그러시길 바랍니다. 그럼 다음 영상으로 만나요. 바이. 네.
12시부로 이제 해제되실 거예요.
네네.
그래서 삭제하셔도 되세요.
아, 네. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
네, 수고 많으셨어요.
감사합니다.
네.
When I finally
나가는데 향수가 빠지면 안 되겠죠? 제가 정말 좋아하는 향수고 제 생일 선물로 받았습니다.
find ourselves on the Rose Avenue.
진짜 갑니다. 안녕.